This is a video solution for practice exercise 3. For this practice exercise, we're going to be creating a Waterjet CAM program. So from the model dropdown, we'll navigate to the CAM workspace and create a new setup. First, in the model section, we want to select just one of the lower plates. We're going to change the orientation so that the Z is pointing up in the current Y axis. We're going to change the operation type to cutting, and we're going to say OK. Because we're focusing only on the lower plate, we want to expand the CAM component, expand the bodies folder, and we want to hide body 1, 4, 5, 6, and 11. Next, we're going to go into the cutting. We're going to select a Waterjet tool from the sample library. We want to change the filtering by operation, set it to cutting. Change the type to only be Waterjet. And we want to select the 0.5 millimeter Waterjet tip. For our geometry, we're going to select the top face of the plate. We're going to go to our linking parameters. We're going to change our lead-in distance to 2 millimeters, and we're going to say OK. Once the program is complete, we're going to simulate. Make sure that all areas get cut appropriately. Close simulate and save our file.